Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in CUBOT P80. So in the first step, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now check that you have the DND mode deactivated, like here. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Let's start from the notifications, check that you have this feature activated, and go to the additional settings. Now make sure that you have turned on high priority notifications here and here. The next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on the unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Tap on the delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your messages again. The next step, let's open the settings, go to the system and select reset options. Tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings, configure your pattern, and tap on this button again. And the last step, try to upgrade your system. So go to the system update, click on the check for update button, and if you have any, install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.